Hey YouTube, what's up? For those of you not familiar with this product, this is a foam, expanding foam type product that is designed to take the place of using concrete when you're setting a fence post. And I'm going to try using it for something a little different today. I don't think it's recommended for it, but I also didn't see any place that said it wasn't recommended to use it, so I'm going to use it in another building project that I'm working on. Okay, so this is the back side of some old concrete steps in a remodeling project that I'm working on, and it's just a bunch of piled up rocks, and up underneath there's some dirt, but I can see through this hole right here that there's also a dead space back there with nothing in it. So I'm going to try using this expanding foam to fill that up and hopefully support the stairs a little bit, and then also hopefully prevent a rabid possum to hold up there or something like that. Okay, so it's a two-part epoxy that you mix together, and but when it's finished, I'm just going to set it right here, right in front of the hole, and then I'm going to just push that product right up into that hole. So you want to have this ready to put wherever you want it before you mix the two parts together, because once they're mixed and you've mixed them together for 15 seconds, you want to be able to push it all out of the pouch and wherever it's going before it starts to expand too much. And as usual, I've got my protective gloves, disposable in this case, safety glasses, and some scissors to cut the bag with. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is just roll this up from the bottom. Okay, so I felt the seal break, and now everything that was in that pouch is being pushed in with this one. And then I'm going to take it and just rub it on my knee for 15 seconds. I gave it a couple extra seconds there just for good measure. Okay. Give it a cut here. I'm going to stick it right in that hole like I talked about earlier. Ooh. Oh, I can feel it getting hot. It's really hot. Oh man, it's going down in there. I've never done this before, so we're learning it together. All right. Oh man, it gets really hot. Okay, so it looks like it went down in there. Okay, let's wait and see what happens. I'll leave that right there. Okay, so we're about a minute into it here, and the creature from below the steps is starting to emerge here. It looks pretty much like expanding foam like you would typically use. The bag is still hot, so pretty amazing stuff. Okay, so it says on the package it takes about 3 to 5 minutes to set up. I gave it about 10 minutes, and it's nice and firm. And I'm going to get the light up here. You can see I squared it in the hole right there, but you can see some of it coming out over beside it there. Here's some more coming out over here. There's some more up in there. So that's what I was hoping would happen, is once I squared it in there, it would start to fill that space up back there and expand out, you know, across the whole area of the steps. So I'm very pleased with how this turned out. I don't know that this product's meant to do this, but for what I wanted it to do, I think it worked great. I was kind of concerned or curious about how this bag would look, because there was some left in there, and that's about how much it expands, I guess, right there. But it seems like it expanded even more than that up in there, so very pleased with it. Here's some of it coming out down below where I put it in, and here's some more of it. You may not be able to see up in there quite a ways from where I sprayed it. So I think it's going to work good. If you found this video informative or helpful in some way, please think about giving me a thumbs up and maybe subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Yeah, here comes the airplane right on cue. Thank you, airplane.